Today we are headed to Abbeville, Louisiana, going to my brother's. He pastors down there, and we're going to go fishing. He said he's got a spot somewhere on a river or lake or somewhere on the bayou that is loaded with fish. So we're going to go down there and see if we can catch anything.
Just take a minute, just let him work.
There's a pole truck.
The horse and you'll lose it. Oh, yeah, he's all right. He's giving his last ditch effort. Don't lose him now.
Big drum.
Woo! All right, I got it. Got the net?
I'm getting.
Here you go. Actually, that's all. That's a lot.
I think it's another one, same but smaller.
Got his pole doubled over good.
He's coming back now. There he goes.
Come on up. Oh, there he is. There he is.
There he is.
There he is.
There he is. There he is.
He's still yours, Cody. Still yours.
He's coming. He's coming.
Got him. Oh, yeah.
Just a minute. Once he gets done, I want you to drop straight over the boat right here, okay?
Come on.
Don't try to hold it. Too big. That's probably the biggest one of the night, I believe. I bring it up. Hey, you got a hook.
It's yours. Let's go, Mom.
All right, bring it.
Oh,
Get on it. Oh my God.
We're about to pull boat, Daddy. Daddy, get up, Daddy. Help us raise this side of the boat.
Move out the way, baby. You're going to get your hand
Y'all want to hold y'all up together?
Y'all, we have tore up the black drum tonight. I don't know, we've probably caught 2, 4, 6. I've caught 3 myself now. My brother's caught 4. His son's caught 5. Or
Yeah, that's right.
his son's caught 5. His daughter has caught 1, but Cody, my brother, had to reel it in. It has been a blast. So thank y'all for joining us. Yeah, the smallest one was 25 to 30 pounds. We didn't have a scale, but it was, we got some pictures of it I'll throw in there. But the smallest one was huge. So we've had a blast. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I am wore out. I don't know if you can tell. My arms are like jelly, but thank y'all for joining us. Like, comment, subscribe.